We have given a bucket of mass, suppose m, is vertically lowered and tension is given 171 Newton in the rope, and here mg will be there in the downward direction, and we have to find the acceleration of the bucket. So we can say, suppose acceleration is in this direction, so we can say mg minus t will be equal to ma according to the Newton's second law. F net is equal to m into a. So from here acceleration will be equal to g minus t by m. This is 9.80 minus 171, and the mass of the bucket is given 9.7 gram. So this is 9.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So the value of acceleration is equal to 9.80 minus, this is equal